Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to change your birthday on Snapchat after the limit. So Snapchat allows you to change your birthday only a limited number of times. If you've already edited before, you may still be able to update it again, but Snapchat may restrict further changes. So firstly, launch the Snapchat app on your Android phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap your Bitmoji icon on the top left corner of the screen and then this will open Snapchat profile page. On your profile page, tap the gear icon in the top right corner and this will take you to your account settings. Scroll down in settings and tap birthday under my account section. You'll see your currently saved birthday and birth year. Now tap on your existing birthday, enter the correct date of birth including the year and make sure the information is accurate. If you already changed your birthday multiple times, Snapchat may show a warning that this is your final change. After entering the correct date, tap continue and confirm the change when prompt. Snapchat may take some time to reflect the update. During that time, your old birthday might still appear temporarily. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.